nangyari sa Davao? Tara, hanapin natin sila sa Sir. Ang daming people, oh. Wow, familiar faces. Ayun, si Sir!
Dr. Bob, dumating lang pala kayo?
Opo, Mother. Mano po, mano. Magandang hapon po, sisters po.
Saan kasama kayo?
Opo, papakilala ko po, ha? Okay, papakilala po namin. We have Cameron, sister from Pampanga. We have Cheska Testa from Ateneo de Davao. We have Grace Piano from Davao Doctors College. We have Michelle Barreno from Philippine Women's College. We have Holy Cross Davao Roy Teguisman. And lastly, we have Hector Alvin from UIC. Of course, the tres diners of our ship from the Magallanes Elementary School. Sister, ang saya pala dito sa pesta nyo.
Talagang masaya, Doktor. Tingnan mo naman ang taong naghihintay sa inyo. Pare pamana sa inyong kasiyahan. Andiyan na po sila. May dala po kayong mga urado, Doktor.
Ako, simulan na natin ating mga pagsasayaw at pagse-celebrate dito sa Davao. Of course, let's have it first. The Cultural Exchange Performing Artist, Faculty Member of Special Program for Arts and Department of Education, Special Events Organizer for the Department of Tourism and City Tourism Special Project, Vice Chairman, Kadayawan Festival, sa Davao Management Committee. Please, let's welcome Edmund Superada. Cameron?
Thank you, Doppa. And now our next judge is a teacher in dance, teaching classical ballet, jazz, tap, and modern dance. He is also a choreographer, mostly in the modern contemporary forms. He is the chairman of the Legal Dance Laboratory, a group helping develop the modern dance movement in Davao. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Alan J. Yoga! She is a doctor of education, the regional supervisor for the Department of Education, Region 11. And she is also a dance performer and choreographer who has served as Indigenous Dance Festival at the Sayaw Mindanao competitions of the Candayao Davao for the past several years. In addition, she is the board director for the Philippine Folk Dance Society of the Cultural Center of the Philippines. Let us give it up for Doctora Corazon Odan Agustin. Our next judge was born in Santa Rita, Pampanga on March 19, 1942. She graduated elementary and high school at Santa Rita College in Santa Rita, Pampanga. She took up her Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in accounting, completed it at the University of Santo Tomas in prestigious España, Manila. She's currently married to Mr. Carmelito Magtoto of Angeles City, and she's the proud mother of 6 kids, a boy and 5 girls. She is the president of the Aguman Lincoln Davao City chapter. She is the board of directors for the Crime Review Center in Davao City, and she's also the proprietor of the Divine Word Incentive here in Davao City, Trellis Grill and Restaurant, and Casa Maria Inn and Resto, all here in beautiful Davao City. Let us give it up for Mrs. Josefina Di Magtoto. Our next judge is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Commerce, majoring in accounting at the Divine Word University, graduated in 1989. In addition, he's a graduate of Master of Christian Leadership in Asian Theological Seminary in Manila in 1992. He served as the youth director for the Tacloban Chinese Christian Church in Tacloban City, Leyte from 1992 to 1993. And then he became the youth director and counselor for the Bethany Church of Cebu City from the years 1993 to 97, where he also served as the Christian educator. In addition, in 1998 and until the year 2000, he served as the founder and head of the Cebu Youth Outreach Ministries in Cebu City, Cebu. He has also served as the youth ministry and music director for the Christ Fellowship Church here in picturesque Davao City from 2000 to 2001. He is also a choreographer, stage director, choir conductor, and musical director of various musical shows since the 1990s. Top it off, he is the Chief Executive Officer and Executive Director of the Giant Music and Arts Center Philippines since 2001. For 4 consecutive years, awarded as the Most Outstanding Musical Tutorial by the Philippine Marketing Excellence Award Manila from 2004 to 2007. And he is the recipient of the Pride of the Nation Award in Makati City for 2008-2009. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Mr. Jonathan Abanye Bartiago. Last but certainly not the least, he is a performing artist, a choreographer, a musician, a playwright, a researcher, arts manager, theater director, production designer, community development facilitator, and international exchange artist to Australia, Canada, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, Australia, London, and the United Kingdom, Ireland, Switzerland, and Belgium. In addition, he's the festival director for the Kaliawan sa Davao, festival director for Araw ng Davao, festival director for the Pasko Fiesta sa Davao, artistic director for the Kaliwat Theater Collective Incorporated, and he's the head of the cultural promotions and external relations of Rosario Davaoeño. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the chairman of the Board of Judges. Let us welcome with a big round of applause, Mr. Richard Dion Villar!
Ayan, sister. Kompleto na po kami, mother.
Sa ganon ay maghahanda muna kami makain nila. So kumain na ba kayo?
Gutom na kami, mother. Okay?
Maghahanda na kami.
O, sige po. Okay. Okay, mga sailors, pakiyatin ng ating mga uradong bisita sa ano.